Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. I'm in my garage, nothing crazy. I just woke up, I'm cleaning the garage. So what you guys are going to witness in this video is a white bass feeding frenzy video. Like, I didn't expect this at all. Basically, I was just catfishing, like just boring stuff, right? Just setting up and just sitting around. And all of a sudden, the catfish bites slow down. Around me, I thought debris were falling from the bridges. I heard splashes and I saw boils in the water. And I turned to look on my right side, like towards the shallow area. All you can see were white bass just blowing up everywhere. Like, I wish I caught that on camera. Nothing but white bass, just boils and blow ups and fireworks. Like, they were just feeding like crazy, and I didn't know that. So I turned on my electronic, and all you see were freckles, right? My side imaging, I saw freckles all around the shoreline, all around the shallow area, and it was just crazy. Me, I always carry a panfish setup. I had a white swim bait, more for like crappie, right? Like a 2.5 inch, and a light jig head. Cast it over there into the boils, and I just burn it back, basically, which you guys are gonna see in this video. I'll quickly burn it back and then kill the bait just to make it look like the bait fish is dying, and burn it back again. They just smoke, and you can see in the video, you guys see in the video, as soon as I catch one, there'll be a school of it just following and just like blowing up right behind it. So it was a crazy experience. I know I didn't do too much talking in that video because I didn't know what to expect. I was just there fishing, and I was blessed with all these white bass. So I kept a bunch for some fish tacos for the weeks. I got summer plans coming up, summer events with family, and I'm like, dude, you know what? I'm just gonna fill up my live well and call it a day. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I sure did. I had a ton of fun. It's not something that's gonna be consistent. It was random, and I did go back the next day and they weren't there. So what does that mean? They were just chasing bait fish. I was just there at the right place at the right time. That's all it is. I'll see you guys in this video. Peace. Hey, it's a big white bass. What the heck? Okay. Nice. Some doggins. Jeez. Okay, I guess I'll take some white bass too then. Jeez, it's so aggressive. Jeez. Goodness. It's crazy. Jeez. Oh, nuts. Jeez. Goodness. These are all giants too. That's a big one. Holy cow, dude. That's a big white bass. Oh my gosh. Holy smoke. These are freaking giant. Jeez. Wow, it's crazy. It's insane. Yep, there's tons of them. Got them. Bro, they're massive. Oh my gosh. Bro, they're massive. Look at that. Dude, they're huge, dude. They're like 14, 15 inches. I caught a couple already. I'm still catfishing. Yeah, I'm still catfishing, but it slowed down, and then dude, there was a firework in here. It's crazy. Yeah, just watch, bro, watch. Right here. God. Dude, they're massive. What? Yep. Oh, jeez. Dude, look. Don't slow, dude. All right. Crazy. Oh my gosh. It's like so hard. That's a nice. Oh, dude, it's a big one. There was another one right behind it. Goodness. Jeez. They just don't stop. They just don't stop, guys. They keep coming, and it's just so addictive. all day, guys. All day. Jeez. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. There's so many. See it? Jeez. You can see like a bunch of them following right behind them. It's crazy. You see a bunch of them follow right behind the fish. Go get ice. That's a big one. That's a nice one. Oh. Jeez. Oh gosh. It's insane.